Students, we are given this question. We are expected to find by integration the volume of the solid generated by revolving about y-axis, the region bounded by the curves y is equal to log x, comma y equal to 0, x equal to 0, and y is equal to 2. Now, if you were to draw the graph would be something like this. Okay, this is going to be your x-axis, this is going to be your y-axis. Now, it says y is equal to 2, so this will be the line y equal to 2. Now, along this line, you have got x to be equal to 0 because you cannot have any points valid there for the x-axis. Now, along this line, you will have y is equal to 0. Now, your intention is to revolve the region made by y is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0. So that region would only be this spot. Okay. Now, required volume formula will be equal to, now y is what that is varying. So y is equal to a to b. So it's going to be pi times y is equal to a to y is equal to some b. It's going to be x squared times dy. Okay. Now we are given, what are we given? We are given that y is equal to log x. The base is e. Okay. Now this can be rewritten as e power y is equal to x by logarithmic formula. So you have to make this substitution. So rewriting, we get pi times, the limits are 0 to 2. In place of x squared, I have to substitute e raised to the power y and square it times dy. Now this is equal to pi times integral 0 to 2 e raised to the power 2y times dy. Now from integration, we know that e raised to the power x times dx will be equal to e power x positive constant c. This is the formula we know. So also we know that integral e raised to the power 2x times dx will be equal to e raised to the power 2x divided by the coefficient of x, which is 2, and we add the constant. So we know these formulae. Now because of this formula, we now have pi times, when you integrate e raised to the power 2y with reference to y, it's going to be e raised to the power 2y divided by 2. The limits are 0 to 2. So you apply the first limit, it's going to be pi times e raised to the power 2 of 2 divided by 2 followed by negative sign, and e raised to the power 2 of 0 divided by 2. Now this can be rewritten as pi times e raised to the power 4 divided by 2 negative e raised to the power 0 is going to be 1 over 2. Now I can rewrite this as, by taking the constant 2 out, pi over 2 of e raised to the power 4 negative 1 cubic units. Okay, so this is going to be your final solution for the given problem.